April, here's a quick way to add a video at the last minute or whenever to a script. So first of all, find your video in the Windows Explorer, and you can drag it over to your script area, and notice the blue lines. And if you notice down here between my countdown and famous for, you see a blue double line. Let me show you here. There it is again. Just click, select and release the cursor, and then what you can do is, after it plays, you want to automatically go to the next cue. So go over here to the far right and advance page after it plays. And if you want the video to also show up on the stage, then click this button here, mirror the main to the stage, and I'll show you what happens. So we'll start it. Look over here, baptisms. I'm not going to play it all the way through. We'll just grab it here and move it towards the end. And there, it went to the next cue, ready to be fired. Hope that helps. Have a good day. Bye-bye.